Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Classroom while signed into the correct Google account. This ensures permissions and roster syncing work. Once there, click the plus sign and choose Create Class so you can control settings from the outset. Enter a clear class name, optional section and subject, and then create it. This instantly generates a class code you can share. Make sure to copy that code or invite students directly. Doing this now saves time later when you add materials and assignments. Now you build the learning flow. Go to Classwork and click Create to add materials, assignments, or topics. This is where structure happens. Attach Drive files, uploads, links, or YouTube videos and set due dates, point values, and rubrics so expectations are clear. Use topics to group resources, drag and drop items to reorder the timeline. Once done, preview an assignment to verify attachments and settings, then assign or schedule it. This ensures students receive exactly what you intended. Finish by checking people to confirm students and co-teachers are added. Use the class code or send direct invites. Grade submissions from classwork. Open student work, enter points, return with comments, and reuse feedback where needed. Once you wrap up the setup, post an announcement so everyone knows where to find materials. If students cannot join or view files, refresh the page, confirm Drive permissions, clear the browser cache, and resend the invite. These steps resolve most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.